In this week's Higher Ed Highlights, Chancellor Gardner took the message that educating Ohio students requires an all-of-the-above approach that includes public and independent colleges and universities, along with Ohio technical centers, to two different groups last week. The Chancellor addressed members of Governor Mike DeWine's Executive Workforce Board during a meeting at American Electric Power's New Albany offices. He said educating Ohio's current and future workforce requires not only bachelor's and associate degrees, but also certificates and other credentials, particularly for those 1.6 million Ohioans who started but never completed their post-secondary education.
We need really an all-of-the-above approach, and that's what our budget provides, and things like the tech cred, those count toward the attainment. The attainment is not just a college degree, it's a variety of credentials, certificates, pathways, so that's important to know.
Earlier in the day, the Chancellor joined Governor DeWine at the annual meeting of the Association of Independent Colleges and Universities in Ohio. In his first 9 months at ODHE, Chancellor Gardner has made a point to visit several independent colleges and universities, as well as Ohio's public campuses. Governor DeWine cited those efforts during remarks to the AICUO presidents.
What I was looking for in picking the cabinet, and looking for in picking the chancellor, was someone who really wanted to do the job, who just had a real great desire and passion to do that. Passion, I have found, trumps a lot of things. Randy's got a lot of things going for him, but the passion he brings to this job, I think, is particularly important.
The theme of preparing Ohio students for the workforce continued this week with a ribbon cutting at the Artificially Intelligent Manufacturing Systems, or AIMS lab, at The Ohio State University. The lab is a controlled test bed meant to engage engineering and social science departments across the OSU campus. Lieutenant Governor John Husted gave remarks during the dedication of this first-of-its-kind environment for studying and developing the future of manufacturing, and the ribbon was cut by, what else, a robot. After the lab dedication, Chancellor Gardner stopped by ODHE's OTEC Consortium to speak with directors and learn more about the work of the consortium members, Ornet, OhioLink, eStudent Services, and the Ohio Supercomputer Center. Look for Higher Ed highlights on the Ohio Department of Higher Education's YouTube page and through our Facebook page and Twitter feed. And check out our website at ohiohighered.org. Thank you for watching, and come back next week for another round of Higher Ed highlights.